Memory recall question series number 8. Module A, International Banking. Question number 1. Forex transactions are classified according to date of deal and date of delivery. Which of the following are correct regarding type of exchange transaction? Answers are Tom. Delivery of foreign exchange takes place on the next working day of the contract. Forward. Delivery of foreign exchange takes place beyond the second working day of the contract. Question number 2. A dual currency bond pays coupon interest in a currency. Answer is other than the currency in which it repays principal. Dual currency bonds pay coupon interest in one currency and principal in a different currency. These currencies may or may not include the home currency of the issuer. A currency option bond allows the bondholder to choose a currency in which to be paid. Question number 3. Mr. Patil issued a letter of credit favoring Mr. Dominic, but he was shocked to see the handwritten documents which were sent by Mr. Dominic. He returned the documents to the issuing bank, which in turn returned back to the negotiating bank, stating that the presentation is not valid. On inquiry, Mr. Dominic said that these documents are handwritten by him only. Thus, these are valid documents, but Mr. Patil was in no mood to accept these documents as genuine. Answer is Mr. Patel is not correct, since the documents are handwritten and thus this is valid presentation and Mr. Patel should honor that. Article 17 related to original documents and copies. A bank shall treat as an original any document bearing an apparently original signature mark, stamp or label of the issuer of the document unless the document itself indicates that it is not an original. Unless a document indicates otherwise, a bank will also accept a document as original if it is appears to be written, typed, perforated or stamped by the document issuer's hand or appears to be on the document issuer's original stationery, states that it is original unless the statement appears not to apply to the document presented. Question number 4. A 10-year bond pays no interest for 3 years, then pays $229.25 followed by payments of $335 semi-annually for 7 years and an additional $1,000 at maturity. This bond is a answer is deferred coupon bond. This pattern describes a deferred coupon bond. The first payment of $229.25 is the value of the accrued coupon payments for the first 3 years. Question number 5. An letter of credit which can be amended or cancelled by the issuing bank at any time prior to its expiry without notice to the beneficiary is called A or N. Answer is revocable letter of credit. Question number 6. Dash is issued by ECGC in the nature of a counter guarantee to the bank against possible losses that they may suffer on account of the guarantees issued by them on behalf of its exporter clients. Answer is export performance indemnity. Friends, if you wish to get more actual memory recall questions with answer, please write me in comment section. I request you to like and share my video to banking fraternity who are really aspire to crack CIB exam. Also, please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notification of my latest video. Now, come to question number 7. Discrepant documents under a letter of credit are received by the nominated bank. The nominated bank requests the issuing bank for authority to pay. Which of the following is the best course of action for the issuing bank? Answer is the issuing bank should refer the discrepancies to the applicant for their approval. The issuing bank should refer the discrepancies to the applicant for the approval. Question number 8. The value of the currencies decided supply and demand factors for a particular currency under dash. Answer is floating exchange rate. Question number 9. When the advising bank at the request of the issuing banks adds its confirmation which would constitute a definite undertaking by the former, the letter of credit is known as A or N. Answer is confirmed letter of credit. Last question. Who among the following is treated as a person of Indian origin but not NRI? Answer is spouse of an Indian citizen who is a foreign citizen. Thank you very much.